Hi everyone, this is Rhonda from Crowley's Creations. Today I have a walkthrough of a bee-themed album. The cover was an old photo album that held 200 pictures. I took out the innards and made my own. So this is my creation. These are just stickers. And here is the spine. And it was mostly created with the Be Beautiful collection from Crafter's Companion and the bee-themed Dreamies collection. I also have some bits and pieces of other Crafter's Companion items, and I think you'll notice them when we get into it. This is the inside page. I've just left them blank. You could put a picture here. And the same with this one. Just a nice place for a few little photos. And then here we have a tuck spot for a 4x6 picture. And then it opens with a magnet up and down, and there is a pocket. And these pages are just blank with photos. Then we have the stained glass panels from Crafter's Companion, and they just open like so. And then this side, they both open the same way with the picture, a small picture, or to write something about the picture. And then this opens this way for another photo if you want. And they are closed not only by magnet, but with this. And I will do that later. And then the next page is kind of interesting. This is another of the stained glass panels from Crafter's Companion. Opens, you can put a picture, journal, leave it blank, whatever you choose. And then this, is a double waterfall, and I think it would be good, much better with photos in it, and it would make the pages a little bit easier to manipulate. And close that magnet, and this is from the Beautiful collection, one of their 6x6 pads, and then you put a picture in here. Next page is just a little booklet to put photos in. And a tuck spot. And this page is a little book to journal or do whatever you'd like. And then this opens this way. This opens this way. And I left them blank for photos. And a pocket. Oops. And this keeps it closed. Let's put that back. And the next page is just a typical waterfall. And I took the paper and just made strips at the bottom so it all looked like one piece of paper. Lots of places for photos. And then this one goes this way. Oops. And this one goes this way. Another one of the stained glass panels, and it just opens for however you want to do it, journal, do whatever. And then I have another tuck spot here for either a photo or journaling or whatever you'd like. And then it opens this way. And then the last page is place a photo here. Opens for 6 more places for photos or journaling, and then photos. And then there are 3 pages. I left 3 pages in the book for an extra 12 pictures. And then the end is just use of leftover papers from the Dreamies collection. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.